In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to high five in FigJam. This is a fun little feature inside FigJam that lets you interact with someone else who's currently in the same board. It's quick, simple, and mostly just meant to add a bit of personality and teamwork to your collaboration session. If you've never seen it before, don't worry, it only takes a few seconds to do once you know where to start. First, open a FigJam board and make sure another person is also inside the same file at the same time. This part is important because the high five only works when someone else is actively present with you in the board. If you're alone in the file, there won't be another cursor to interact with, so the effect won't trigger. Once both of you are in the board, press and hold the H key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, your cursor changes into a hand. That hand cursor is what FigJam uses for this interaction, so keep the H key held down while you move around. If you let go too early, your cursor may switch back, so it helps to keep holding it until the high five happens. Next, move your hand cursor toward the other person's hand cursor. For this to work, the other person also needs to be using their hand cursor, so they should press and hold H on their side too. Then both of you can guide your hand cursors toward each other. As the two hand cursors get close enough, FigJam automatically triggers the high five effect. You'll see the animation happen on screen, confirming that the interaction worked. There's no extra button to click and no additional menu to open. You just bring the two hand cursors together and FigJam takes care of the rest. And that's it. That's how you high five in FigJam. If it doesn't work the first time, the easiest thing to check is whether both people are in the board at the same time and whether both are actually holding H so their cursors appear as hands. Then just try moving a little closer together until the effect activates. It's a small feature, but it's a nice way to make collaboration feel a bit more lively, especially during brainstorms, workshops, or casual team sessions. Now you know exactly how to do it, and the next time you're working with someone in FigJam, you can celebrate a great idea with a quick virtual high five.